Welcome to Improve Life Top 10. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to escape poverty and become rich in a short period of time? What are the secrets that they use to transform their lives and achieve financial freedom? In this video, we will reveal 10 ways that you can use to escape poverty and become rich in 6 months with multiple income streams. These are proven strategies that have worked for many successful people, such as Elon Musk, Jack Ma, Brian Tracy, and Jim Rohn. If you want to learn from their wisdom and experience, make sure to watch this video until the end. 10 ways to escape poverty and become rich in 6 months with multiple income streams. Number 1, change your mindset. The first step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to change your mindset. You have to believe that you deserve wealth and that you can achieve it. You have to eliminate any limiting beliefs that are holding you back, such as, I'm not good enough, I don't have the skills, or I don't have the opportunities. Instead, you have to adopt a positive and abundant mindset, such as, I can do anything I set my mind to. I have the potential to learn and grow, or I can create my own opportunities. A positive mindset will help you attract more wealth and success into your life. Number 2, set clear and specific goals. The second step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to set clear and specific goals. You have to know exactly what you want to achieve and by when. You have to write down your goals and review them daily. You have to make sure that your goals are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to be rich, you should say, I want to earn $10,000 per month by December 2024. Setting clear and specific goals will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Number 3, educate yourself. The third step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to educate yourself. You have to invest in your knowledge and skills. You have to read books, watch videos, listen to podcasts, attend courses, and learn from mentors. You have to constantly update yourself with the latest trends and opportunities in your field. You have to become an expert in your niche and provide value to your customers or clients. Educating yourself will help you increase your income and credibility. Number 4, create multiple income streams. The fourth step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to create multiple income streams. You have to diversify your sources of income and not rely on one single stream. You have to explore different ways of making money, such as selling products or services, creating online courses, writing books, investing in stocks or real estate, or starting a side hustle. You have to leverage your skills, passions, and interests to create multiple income streams that can generate passive or residual income for you. Creating multiple income streams will help you reduce your risk and increase your wealth. If you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from it. Number 5, save and invest your money. The fifth step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to save and invest your money. You have to pay yourself first and save at least 10% of your income every month. You have to create a budget and track your expenses. You have to cut down on unnecessary spending and live below your means. You have to invest your money wisely and compound your returns. You have to seek professional advice or do your own research before investing. You have to avoid debt and pay off your loans as soon as possible. Saving and investing your money will help you grow your net worth and achieve financial independence. Number 6, network with successful people. The sixth step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to network with successful people. You have to surround yourself with people who inspire you, support you, and challenge you. You have to seek mentors who have achieved what you want to achieve and learn from them. You have to join mastermind groups, clubs, or communities where you can meet like-minded people and exchange ideas. You have to avoid negative and toxic people who drain your energy and discourage you. Networking with successful people will help you expand your horizons and opportunities. Number 7, take action and be consistent. The seventh step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to take action and be consistent. You have to stop procrastinating and start doing. You have to take massive and consistent action towards your goals. You have to overcome your fears and doubts and face your challenges. You have to be flexible and adaptable and learn from your mistakes. You have to be persistent and resilient and never give up. Taking action and being consistent will help you achieve your desired results and make your dreams come true. Number 8. Add value and solve problems. The 8th step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to add value and solve problems. You have to find out what problems your target market or audience is facing and provide solutions for them. You have to create products or services that are unique, useful, and desirable. You have to deliver more than what is expected and exceed your customers' or clients' satisfaction. You have to build trust and loyalty and generate referrals and testimonials. Adding value and solving problems will help you attract more customers or clients and increase your revenue. Number 9. Be grateful and generous. The 9th step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to be grateful and generous. You have to appreciate what you have and express your gratitude daily. You have to acknowledge the people who have helped you along the way and show your appreciation. You have to give back to your community and society and share your wealth and knowledge. You have to donate to causes that you care about and support others who are in need. You have to practice the law of attraction and abundance and believe that the more you give, the more you receive. Being grateful and generous will help you attract more blessings and happiness into your life. Number 10. Enjoy your life and have fun. The 10th and final step to escaping poverty and becoming rich is to enjoy your life and have fun. You have to celebrate your achievements and reward yourself. You have to balance your work and life and take care of your health and well-being. You have to pursue your passions and hobbies and do what makes you happy. You have to travel and explore the world and experience different cultures and lifestyles. You have to live in the present and enjoy every moment. Enjoying your life and having fun will help you live a fulfilling and meaningful life.